It's really rare to see a female cardinal sing, and I mean actually sing, not chip. Due to her muted colors when she is singing, it's also really easy to miss. But I saw it once last year, and this nesting season I was able to see it happen twice and was lucky enough to get one round of her song on camera. For decades, researchers have done field studies to find out when and why she sings. And what they found is that unlike male cardinals who sing for mate attraction and to enforce their territory, when a female cardinal sings, she's usually doing it for entirely different reasons. One study in the mid-'80s determined female cardinal singing helps strengthen pair bonds between mates. In this earlier study, most of the time when field researchers found a female singing, she and her mate were taking turns or duetting. Along those lines, another study found that the rate of female singing was higher in newly established pair bonds compared to long-established ones. For newer pairs, one of the reasons researchers speculated duetting is also so important is because it allows the pairs to learn each other's specific song. Having a good understanding of each other's sounds may improve nesting efficiency. For example, females will occasionally sing from their nest to alert the male that she may need a break to forage. During this time, males have been reported to incubate the eggs, but that part is pretty rare. She can also use her song to ask her mate for food while she incubates, which can be important, especially during times where energy conservation is necessary. Another reason females will sing is to ward off other females who might be intruding in the territory. Compared to males, however, females have a shorter window of seasonal singing. Males start very early, as early as January, depending on weather, location, and other factors. For females, they'll begin singing in early March, with it usually tapering off in May. The amount of singing per hour differs significantly between males and females. One study found male cardinals sing an average of 30 to 35 times per hour from March through June. On the other hand, females sang an average of 1 to 5 times per hour, with the majority of songs being heard from March to April. However, a few studies recorded females singing as far out as July. And one thing I do want to point out is that field studies can really only shed light on common behaviors among given species. Wild animals are wild animals, and there will always be variables and outliers. If you're wanting to try to see a female cardinal sing, the best time is to look before sunrise, right before sunset, or right after sunset during the spring season. Cardinals are one of the earlier birds in the morning to start singing, so walk around, take a look. The male will be easier to spot, of course, but the female is sometimes close by. If you find her, watch and see if she sings. It can sometimes help to listen out for the male singing. Then if his song is followed immediately by another cardinal, look around. If you don't see another red male, try looking for the female. It might be her.